Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Vore. This episode, shrimp cocktail, but I'm not gonna boil shrimp. I'm gonna cook it on my Blackstone griddle, right? I'm gonna cook it just to the right perfection of that pinkness of a shrimp, just like you'd boil it, but without getting rid of all the good flavors when you boil a shrimp. So I'm gonna grill it here. So I've got my grill up to temperature. I've peeled and deveined my shrimp. And so I'm gonna take some butter, about almost 3 tablespoons of butter in here. And I'm just gonna let this melt right in here. Got my other utensil. Let this melt. I have a little bit of oil already on the griddle, right? Let's put this on here where it's hot. About medium-high heat, so it's about 325 degrees right now. This side's off, right? I don't want to turn this on. I just want to use this one side of the griddle. Why is that? Well, I want a cool spot because the shrimp's going to cook fast on the griddle, right? And I don't want to burn it up or overcook it. I want to get it right at the right spot for shrimp cocktail, right? So it's going to be a little tricky. Yep, you can go ahead and boil it if you want, but I'll tell you what, this will taste delicious. There's butter on here, and it's a real simple salt and pepper. Nothing really hard about this recipe at all. So here's my shrimp, peeled, deveined, fresh from North Carolina. It's only about 3 days old, which is great. You can use frozen shrimp if you want to. Just be careful you don't get poked by the fins of the shrimp. So I'm gonna place my shrimp on here. I'm gonna spread it out. This is gonna cook fast, so you can't go anywhere. You just gotta put the shrimp down. I'm gonna spread it out with my hands. No problems there. I have some paper towels here. I'll clean my hands off in just a second. Just put it on like so. And then I'm gonna take some salt and sea salt and black pepper, and I'm just gonna sprinkle all around the shrimp. You could put some Old Bay or some other seasoning on here too if you'd like. I'm just gonna go with this. I have about 3 pounds of shrimp here. A fair amount, right? This is getting ready for a party we're gonna have, entertain neighbors and stuff. So just trying to get this ready just right. Mix this up. Put the rest of that on. What we're gonna do then is go ahead and mix this up. Look at that, it's starting to change already. Oh, this is going to be a great flavor. My big spatula here to help turn this. The seasoning's mixed up in there. Oh boy, this smells wonderful already. And if I see shrimp getting done, I'm going to move them off to the cool side of the griddle. But they got a little ways to go right now, so go ahead and spread this out a little bit and let this cook just for a few more minutes here. I want to get them nice and pink, and I don't want to see transparency. I want them to be opaque all the way through. Okay, it's been several minutes. I have been tossing the shrimp, as you can see here, make sure all the seasonings are together, and they are looking beautiful, nice and pink. They are ready to go. So what I'm going to do is put them in this glass container here that has ice in it, right, around it. So that way these will start to cool down. I don't want them to overcook. I want to make sure they all get cooled off actually fairly quickly. We'll go inside, make some cocktail sauce here, and give one a try, but these are for tomorrow. What's nice, you can get this done ahead of time. If you're having company, party, you can eat them now, of course, but save them for the next day, and the flavors will enhance tremendously. So let's take it inside and make some cocktail sauce. Okay, we're inside. I'm gonna make the cocktail sauce. It's real simple. I have about 3 tablespoons of horseradish sauce already in this bowl. I have a half a cup of chili sauce. I'm gonna do a half a cup of ketchup too. So it's like a 50-50 mix, right? So I'll go ahead and put in the chili sauce here. Go ahead and squeeze in some tomato or ketchup sauce tomato. What? I don't know what that is, but anyways, ketchup. If I can get it to come out of here. Here we go. Just like so. It doesn't have to be perfect. Go ahead and put the ketchup in here. Just a nice 50-50 mix, approximately. I already have that horseradish in there, so I can go ahead and mix this up. Oh boy, it's gonna be good. A few extra ingredients, a little Worcestershire sauce. It doesn't take much. I'm just gonna dabble Just a little bit in there. And finally, if you want to kick it up a little bit, a couple sprigs of Tabasco. Highly recommend Tabasco in it, right? So just go ahead and mix that up. It's ready to go. You can, of course, refrigerate this, and then when you have your guests over, you can go for your shrimp. So let's try one of these shrimps. I can't wait, man. Off the grill. What a way to do it. Pulled right out. Nice. Wow, delicious shrimp cocktail. Do it on the griddle. That boiling just takes all the flavor away from it. This enhanced the flavor, the buttery salt and pepper. This is delicious. So if you want to do it for the next day, really enhance those flavors, put this like on a sheet, maybe a cookie sheet or something, put it in the fridge, get it really cold. I'm gonna take this and put it in the fridge, make sure it's all cold for the next day, set it up real nice, and I'll take a picture of that too. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is delicious. What a great way to do shrimp cocktail.